I am so excited today to be sharing my Meta glasses with you. So I just received the package today and I'm so excited. So I haven't opened it, so I'm gonna open it with you guys. So this is going to make life a lot easier when I am filming or when I am on the go vlogging. God, it's so well packaged. It's struggling here to open it. I'm so eager to open it, so excuse my mess. God, the packaging is something else. So it's in here. I might need to turn the camera around. Okay, wait. Oh, I'm so excited. So here we go. So nice. I think you open it here. I have downloaded the app already. It is on my phone waiting for the arrival of the glasses. So I'm using my phone for this recording. So that's what the inside is like. So once I assemble it, I will connect it to, or pair it, or connect it, whichever word is the right word, to my phone, and then it will be ready to be used. So let's see. So there it is. I am so excited. I broke a leg to get this, and because I'm traveling, it will be much easier for me to blog and to record videos on the go. So I decided to invest in these glasses. Hopefully, or invest on this, on whichever you choose the right one. So I decided to invest in it. It's going to serve a great purpose for me, and it's going to make my life a lot easier. So the app is on my phone, and when I finish recording, I'm going to wear it to do some unboxing, so that you can judge whether it's a good purchase or not. You can check the video quality and all of that, and you can rate it. I am so excited. So that's the charging port, and the glasses has to be inside anyway before you charge it. Wait now. You know what I'm looking for? The charger is the Type-C charger. So let me see. Oh, there's a light that turns on. I don't know if you can see the light. Oh, okay. You see, there's a red light there. The moment I touch this, or the moment I try to open it, it's still showing. So see how it's packed. That's the inside there, and you can remove the glasses. That's it. Oops. Imagine imagine smashing this. I will cry. So it came, well wrapped, well packaged. And let's see what else we have inside. Nothing, I guess. Okay. So you really need to protect your case as if your life depends on it, because once you lose this, you won't be able to charge the glasses, and you pay, I don't know, maybe it's €100 to purchase this case, because that's where you charge your glasses. So that's all that I got. I'm thinking there might be more, but that's all that is there. Let me see what this says here. This might just, oh, okay. There's something here. I don't know what it is. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating. Okay, we have this is a cleaning cloth. So it's for cleaning the glasses. This is hidden in here. I don't know. This might just be okay, paperwork. Oops. So I think that's all that is in here. Okay, so that's it. Let's remove this and we try it on. Let's try it on. Don't really know much about it, but according to the video that I watched, I think the power button is here. I don't know if it will work, but anyway, oh my god. Oh, look at that. Oh, that suits me. This is so cool. Oh, it actually suits me, doesn't it? Oh, wow. I think I love it. Oh, it matches my face. It feels so comfortable. Okay. This is not the standard one. This is the transition one. If I step outside, it transitions. It shades. Like a sun shade. And when I'm inside, it's clear. Okay, it's a clear lens inside and outside. It transitions to sunglasses and it protects your eyes. And I can see clearly. Oh, it's very good. I can see clearly. I don't know if I can. I have nothing to read here. Read with it. It's not. Okay. Well, I can see to some extent. It's not a reading glasses or anything, but anyway, I'm only going to use it to blog, to make videos, unboxing and stuff like that. And that's about it. Okay. Let me see. I think the turn on button, I don't know. I think I need to set it up before it will work. So let me do the setting up, and after that we're going to try to do an unboxing and see. So I am going to, did I get it? Pop it in here. Okay. And that's it. Okay, so I'll do the other bits and then I'll come back and share it with you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.